The highly anticipated 2024 Toyota Tundra has roared to victory yet again, earning the coveted Truck of Texas award for the second time in 3 years. Presented annually by the Texas Auto Writers Association at the Texas Truck Rodeo event, this prestigious honor recognizes the Tundra's outstanding capabilities and performance. Built at Toyota's Texas manufacturing plant in San Antonio, the new Tundra impresses with its fully redesigned body-on-frame construction and upgraded suspension. Towing and hauling are no match for its 12,000-pound maximum tow rating and 1,940-pound max payload. Powering the Tundra are 2 new force-of-nature engines, the twin-turbo V6 hybrid producing an incredible 437 horsepower and 583 pound-feet of torque, and a twin-turbo V6 gas engine. Both deliver exceptional efficiency without compromising on Toyota's renowned reliability. While channeling impressive power, the 2024 Tundra also leads in technology. It comes equipped with an array of off-road enhancements like multi-terrain select, crawl control, and a locking rear differential to conquer any terrain. For trailering, it features an advanced system of cameras and sensors for easy hitch alignment and steering assistance while in reverse. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.